week 14, Thursday, this is a mishmash week, right? So we are doing ale cassoulet with pork sausages. So we have red ale, we have some cannellini beans, we have spicy pork sausages, Italian style, some mirepoix, that's onion, celery and carrot. We have some pancetta, garlic, olive oil, water, parsley to garnish, and some rosemary. This is a one pot dish, very simple. We'll saute the sausages, and then in that same oil we put the pancetta and then the mirepoix, cook it with some rosemary and some garlic, and then we'll add the liquid, bring it to a boil, add the beans, the cannellini beans, and then we'll put in the sausages back in, cook it till it's done and it's dry. So that's the dish. So let's start cooking. This is a cold pan. So we'll put in the sausages, because remember, sausages have a lot of fat. And then we'll turn on the heat to medium and just let it cook on one side, and then we'll keep turning it till it's done. The sausages are done. We'll take this out. We put in a little bit of olive oil, and then we'll add the mirepoix. We'll add some salt and pepper. I forgot to put the pancetta, so let me add the pancetta here and cook it for a little bit, and then I'll mix it. We'll add the fresh rosemary to this. This is from my garden. We'll let it cook. The house has started smelling of rosemary. And the garlic. So I've sliced them. And just we'll cook it for just a minute or so. So we'll add the ale. And we'll add a cup of water. You can add stock as well. We'll bring it up to a boil, and then we'll add the sausages and the beans back in. This come to a boil. So we'll add the beans with the liquid, which will thicken up the sauce. So these are cooked beans, so you don't need as much time. So I have to cook it in high so that the liquid reduces quickly. But again, I put all of the liquid that the beans came in here, so it should thicken up. At this point, we'll add the sausages back in. And the juice. Let it come to a boil and then we'll simmer it till the sauce thickens and adjust the seasoning. Taste the seasoning. Need some salt. We can adjust the seasoning later on as well. So let it come to a boil and we'll simmer it till the liquid has pretty much dried down. The cassoulet is done, so we'll add the parsley. And so we'll serve it. To serve this, we'll put the soup or the cassoulet at the bottom of the bowl. We'll put a sausage on top of that. And maybe put a little bit of sauce on the top just to finish it. Ale cassoulet with pork sausage. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bon appetit. See you tomorrow when we do our goat biryani, or we finish off our goat biryani. Thank you.